prawns are regarded by many as a delicacy. The delicious meat has a subtle flavour that needs to be treated carefully. Did you know that by grilling prawns you can retain the full, pure flavour? Grilling at high temperatures is a fast way to prepare a tasty meal, and it also helps preserve the food's natural flavour. The grill plate is extra thick, so it stays hot even when cooking frozen food. The removable drip tray helps you get rid of any excess fat easily. When placed in an upright position, the grill is easy to store and takes up little space. With the grill, you get a handy spatula that can be used as tongs. The Philips table grills. Keep all the goodness locked in. Philips. Sense and simplicity.